In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a page border in WPS Office. If you are working on a document and you notice a border surrounding the entire page, this setting can sometimes make the document look too busy or unprofessional. Removing the page border in WPS Office is a quick process, and once you understand where the option is located, you can adjust it anytime you need. To begin, make sure your document is open in WPS Office Writer. Once you are inside the document, move your attention to the top menu and click on the Page Layout tab. This tab contains all the options related to how your page looks, including margins, orientation, and borders. Under the Page Layout tab, look for the option called Page Borders and click on it. This option is used both for adding and removing borders from a page. After clicking Page Borders, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Inside this window, make sure that the Page Border tab is selected. You will know it is selected when the tab appears highlighted. If your document currently has a border, you will see a preview showing a box around the page. This preview confirms that a border is active. To remove the border, simply click on the option labeled None. As soon as you select this option, the preview will update showing that the border is no longer applied. This is an important step because the preview allows you to confirm the change before applying it to your document. Next, look for the Apply To section in the same dialog box. If you want to remove the border from the entire document, make sure that Whole Document is selected. This ensures that the border will be removed from all pages, not just a single section. Once everything is set correctly, click on OK to apply the changes. After clicking OK, the page border will be removed, and your document will return to a clean, border-free layout. This method works reliably and is especially useful when formatting documents for printing, schoolwork, or professional use. If you ever need to add a page border again, you can return to the same Page Borders option and choose a style instead of None. Knowing both how to apply and remove borders gives you full control over your document's appearance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.